What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? All right, so more DCAing is on the agenda. Never financial advice, but guys, when the opportunity presents itself, you don't really have much of an option but to sit, piss and moan, cry about it, or DCA. Take advantage. And remember, the millionaires are made on the red days, not the green ones. Yes, you can hear my dryer in the background because the laundry door room is open and I forgot to close it. Deal with it. All right, let's see what's going on, guys. What's going on across the market? We're going to have a look at JASMY today. Down 1.2 on the day, 11 on the week, up 19.3 on the month, and 47.5% down on the year. We are even at 101 in rank, a $735 million market cap, and 42 million in volume. Swift coin down 4.5 on the day, pretty much even on the week, up 7.5 on the month, and up 191% on the year. We are down 4 spots in rank to 332, $111 million market cap, 1.15 million in volume. Onyx coin down 4.5 on the day, 6 on the week, up 2.8 on the month, and 885 on the year. Even in rank at 125, a $509 million market cap, and 20 million in volume. And of course, Zebek down 6.3 on the day, 21.8% up on the week, 58 on the month, and 358 on the year. We're down 4 spots in rank to 135, $42 million market cap, and 48 million in volume. Get in where you fit in, guys. These opportunities are not going to be around much longer. I do really believe, however, that we are going to see a beginning of August shakeout. So you need to be ready for that, my friends. Whether it's keeping dry powder on the sides so that you're ready to go. I do think we're going to see a bit of a scare. It's going to shake some people out. You're going to see a lot of whining, a lot of complaining, a lot of fear, a lot of FUD, a lot of misinformation. But you, being a member of our community, are going to be strong and hold your way through it. Because again, millionaires are made on red days, not on green ones, guys. It's what you do on days like this that make you money on days like that. Keep it in mind, guys. Keep it in mind, okay? So let's go have a look at this piece that we have. But before we do, as we always do about this time, my friends, we got to give a quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. Guys, not your keys, not your coins. You can swap, take profits right on your Decent wallet. You can even stake, whether it's your crypto or your stable coin, whether it's now or through the bear market, and gain APY. And between your Decent wallet and your Zebek carbon card, you can actually be bank free, my friends. And it is a zero fee card on Zebek. Check it out today. Use the coupon code FUTURE20 off. Get yourself $20 off your Decent wallet plus a free Zebek airdrop, my friends. Offer is only valid until August 5th. And it is exclusively for this channel and this channel alone. So do not miss out on it, guys. Once it's gone, it is gone for good. So what's going on with JASMY's price is a pump of over 1,600% in the cards. Let's have a look at it, guys, courtesy of Crypto Newsland. Pump over 1,650% lies ahead for altcoin JASMY to reach bullish breakout target of 27 cents 85. Let's have a look. Altcoins continue to grow more bullish, and reputed analysts are pleased to see multiple altcoins showing promising green indicators across their respective price charts. The altcoin price chart alone is very bullish on its own in both the total and total 3 charts. Presently, one reputed analyst expects a pump of over 1,650% for altcoin JASMY to reach its bullish breakout target of 27 cents 85. Would you take a 27 cent JASMY, considering a lot of us got in at like 204, 203, stuff like that? Or 204, 205, sorry. Let me know, guys, what was your entry point on JASMY? Let me know in the comment section down below, because big things are about to come. That's what she said. Altcoin JASMY to reach bullish breakout target, 27 cents 85. The crypto market has been growing steadily more and more bullish over the last few months. In particular, the crypto market saw a shift in strength, going from Bitcoin dominance to a drop, signaling Ethereum and altcoin dominance soon. So far, several bullish indicators have been blaring through across multiple factors, supporting both Bitcoin and Ethereum and altcoin price pumps for the coming days ahead. In particular, for altcoins, expectations for the alt season peak phase to finally arrive have gained traction, much to the anticipation and relief of the greater crypto community. Most of us can attest to that. Am I right? Am I right? This is because alt season has been delayed by over 2 quarters this bull cycle. Traditionally, altcoin season arrives in Q1 following a Bitcoin halving year. However, this year Q1 saw a correction phase which finally allowed Ethereum to bottom. And generally, a lot of the speculation is that was caused by Trump's tariffs, right? Pushing everything back. Because we should have seen altcoin season really kind of start in March. But instead, at the beginning of March, we got tariffs. So, yeah. Moustache says, look at this chart, and you know what the current alt season has just started. 6-year resistance line has been touched. The MACD crossed bearish. Altcoin equals altcoins up. Send everything season. Let's go. Since then, the price of Ethereum has been slowly pumping and is now closer than ever to breaking past the $4,000 price level. Meanwhile, other factors such as the altcoin market cap completing a massive cup and handle pattern, the total 3 price charts signaling a significant surge soon, and the total crypto market cap setting up for its largest breakout ever against the US money supply. They're all pointing to inevitable crypto market surge. The post above shows how 2 bullish indicators grace the altcoin price chart. It highlights the MACD crossing bearish and the 6-year resistance line being hit. Another bullish indicator comes in the market sentiment based on the CMC Crypto Fear and Greed Index, which a score of 62. The meter points to a greed sentiment. Presently, most altcoins have started to follow Ethereum's lead and have started to chase their previous all-time high targets. Perhaps they will hit new all-time highs of their own soon after Ethereum begins hitting a string of new all-time highs for itself, right? So as per Javin Marks, he says JASMY set to pump over 1,650%. JASMY's next breakout remains 27 cents 85. The breakout has not changed, only time has. And based on the break holding, time can be all that's in the way of over a 1,650% uphill run to reach this target. Javin Marks, very bullish, my friends. Very, very bullish. Of the many bullish altcoins in the crypto market, one asset has caught the attention of reputed crypto analysts, which is JASMY, the altcoin known as the Bitcoin of Japan. According to the analyst, the next breakout target remains 27 cents 85 level for JASMY. He says that this breakout target has not changed, and based on the break holding, time is all that stands in the way. Do you guys think that we are going to see a 27 cent 85 JASMY? My friends, my target, as you know, is 20 to 25 cents in this cycle. And so it's right on par with my thoughts. But is that going to be in one giant leg up, like the next leg up? No, of course not, right? I think the next leg up for JASMY probably going to be somewhere around that between 3 to 5 cents. It's going to need to break out of that resistance. Probably 8 to 10 cents is probably going to be a range full of friction. Breaking above 12 cents. There's going to be resistance levels along the way. 15 cents, 20 cents, so on and so forth, guys. So it's not just going to be one leg up to 27 cents and that's it. There will be stops along the way to build support levels. But if everything does truly go parabolic soon, like I think that it will, I may be standing corrected, and we may just see it go completely parabolic. We are getting close to that phase, my friends. Now, let me ask you a question. If someone came up to you today and said, listen, if you buy me a cup of coffee every single day, I will help you make life-changing wealth in crypto, would you buy that person a cup of coffee? Of course you would. You'd be crazy not to. Well, listen, I'm offering that to you right now. For less than a cup of coffee a day, my friends, you can join the 10% Club over on the Patreon, and we will help give you the tools you need to succeed in this space. We will help you exit this market ahead of everybody else, ensuring that you make life-changing wealth for yourself and that you are set up for the next bull run properly, right? So invest in your education, invest in your future for the price of a cup of coffee a day, my friends. We're live over on the Patreon every single day. We drop microcap gems, swing trade opportunities, educational content, and so much more. Do not miss it. We actually have had an exclusive live stream earlier today, every Thursday, with special guests, Maximus Crypto and Rule Black as well. Do not miss it, guys. All that and so much more for less than a cup of coffee a day. The link is down in the description. Join the party today, my friends. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.